AI agents help you automate conversations, handling repetitive user queries, and providing intelligent assistance at scale, just like ChatGPT. Start by opening the Bot Builder canvas. This is where all your conversation logic is created visually. From the canvas, add an AI agent block to enable intelligent, context-aware conversations. Click on the AI agent block and configure the AI agent. First, let's create a new AI agent. This agent defines how your bot thinks, responds, and behaves. Here, you'll see 4 key sections. Prompt. This defines the agent's role, tone, and responsibilities. For example, answering product questions, maintaining a friendly tone, or collecting lead details. Next, functions. Use functions when you want the agent to take actions, like booking demos, fetching data, or triggering workflows. Paths. Paths help guide conversations based on user intent, such as escalating to a human or moving to a specific flow. LLM settings. Choose your AI model, set the token limit to control response length, and adjust temperature to balance accuracy and creativity. Once configured, click Save Changes. Enable the knowledge base to power your agent with real content. Select an existing knowledge base or add a new one using URLs, documents, or files. Adjust the chunk size. Higher chunks provide more detailed and accurate answers. You can also enable Answer Source to show where responses come from. Collect feedback so users can rate answers. Display results as buttons, carousels, or files if needed. These options improve trust and user experience. Once everything is configured, test your agent thoroughly and then deploy. That's it. You've successfully built and deployed an AI agent in WotNot.